Hey fun, what is the solution to this? Well, we got 5 times 10x minus 10 equals negative 5 times negative 4x plus 4. We're going to distribute. That's the first thing we got to do is distribute. So 5 times 10x, 50x. 5 times negative 10, negative 50 equals negative 5 times negative 4x, 20x. And negative 5 times positive 4 is minus 20. Seems a little suspiciously balanced. 50x minus 50 equals 20x minus 20. What's going to happen here? Okay, well, we're going to first subtract 20x from both sides. That'll get them all on one side, and they'll still be positive. 30x minus 50 equals negative 20. Now we're going to add 50 to both sides, get it away from the variable side, the side with the variable term in it. And we get 30x equals negative 20 plus 50 is 30. And when you do 30x divided by 30 equals 30 divided by 30, x equals 1. It's the solution. X equals 1. That wasn't too hard.